What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and well, they brought this truck to the shop because they're having a problem with the transmission. So let me show you the code that we are getting really quick. So this is the code there. It's stored in the transmission module, P17F0, and basically what this means is there could be a problem in the programming of the computer. So this car, SUV was involved in a car accident, and maybe what I believe they did, they changed the transmission module and they put a different one from another car into this vehicle, so it doesn't match the calibration with the actual transmission that this car has. So what you have to do is, obviously, we have to reprogram it, do a recalibration procedure. So as you can see here, let me just take you here, 2013 Pathfinder. It has very low mileage because this truck is salvage, and as you can see here, well, this car was crashed on this side. That's the reason why I cannot open this door, and I have to get in through the passenger side. Okay, so as you can see here, it had a collision, frontal collision detected, and like I said, it was on the driver's side. So this code, it's very not common code in these cars. It's very weird to be here, but let me show you. I already did it, so if you have this problem, it will help you. Let me just take you to the transmission module. So the code doesn't matter how many times. It doesn't matter how many times I erase the code. It wasn't erasing at all. So as you can see here, we don't have any more codes. And what I actually did, I used this scanner to do it. So when I went to the transmission module, I went into the special functions, which are right here, as you saw, special functions. And what I did is I actually wrote the calibration that comes on the transmission from this car. Originally, there's a sticker on the transmission range switch, and it has a barcode in it. So what you have to do is get that barcode, scan with this scanner, and if you have a valid subscription, it will automatically download the calibration for the right transmission. So here you can read the original calibration data before you even start this process. Just in case you mess up or something, you can always come back and write the calibration. So let me turn on the switch and explain here. So we're gonna write the IP. As you can see here, it says is used when you replace a module or something like that, which is the case that they didn't do. They just replaced the module, but they didn't program it correctly. So as you can see here, it says if you want to write the save data that you read from that module, or you want to input manually, scan the code in the transmission. So here, if we put read, it will read the data from that module that is stored in there. So I did a backup first, just in case I messed up. And well, you can now erase the calibration data too. It says after the implementation of this function, as you can see, jitter may occur, which is the code that we're getting, but the transmission data is not erased, so it's just corrupted. That's the thing. And also, if you don't have this tool, I'm gonna bring the computer and show you how you can do it also with a special program. Alright, so another option is to use the Nissan Nerds. Let me just take you here. So this is the program called Nissan Nerds. You can download it in this website that is called let me just type it in, mhauto.com. You have to subscribe. They charge like $1 for the subscription, and it's forever. So once you're in that website, you can search for the Nissan Nerds and download it. It's completely free there. But if you want to download it from the Nissan, they're gonna charge you a lot of money to do it. So here you can check if you have an actualization or an update, which is, in less words, the right word. You can type in the model, the ECU number, ECU port number, which is right here. This is the ECU port number from this truck, the transmission module. So each module has a different part number. So we're gonna type in that one, 036, and we hit enter. And it might take a while because my Wi-Fi is not good right now. So let me just give you. Alright, so as you can see here, we have actually an update for this car, which is this one, 3KA60. But like I said, I didn't actually update it. I just recoded basically the module. So if you want to buy it, there's you can buy the file for $30, and then you can reflash it using this tool right here, or something equal to the J2534. You can use that. And well, when you download it, you have to place that file. Let me just take you really quick. You open file location for that program, and it will take you to the folder, and then you have to go to application data and reprogramming data, and you have to place that file that you downloaded into this folder right here. That way when you run the program, it will detect the file, and you can search by using the calibration part number right here. All right, but in this case I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna do it with the scanner, which is a lot easier. So like I said, let me just take you to the scanner because it's more easier. If you have a valid subscription with this scanner, then it will help a lot. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna demonstrate you how I did it. So once you are here, you're gonna write IP the data, you're gonna start, and before you even start, it's gonna tell you to do some steps. So we're gonna input the code manually, and here it's gonna perform erase memory data. So it says to maintain, we gotta put it in reverse, and we gotta keep the gas pedal all the way in press. So now we hit OK, and it's gonna erase the data. And usually the check engine light will flash, but it's not flashing right now. So right here it says the execution was successful. Please perform the next step below in less than 10 seconds. So we're gonna put it in park again, remove everything, and we're gonna turn it off. So we're gonna wait 10 seconds. After that, we're gonna put OK, and we're gonna turn ignition on. And usually the check engine light will flash, indicating that something is wrong. Because he erased the calibration data. So after that, we're gonna press OK, and here you're gonna pay attention. So it says that you have to enter the barcode, which is located on the gear switch. So once you located that, I will show you how it looks. It will be right here. That's what it looks like. So the next step is what I did. I actually used my phone. I took a picture of it, and with the scanner, I actually scanned the barcode. So I'm gonna do it. After you scan the barcode, it will give you a lot of serial coding right here. So let me turn off the phone, and I'm gonna scan the code again and show you really quick. You can see I scanned the code from my phone, and as you can see here, it gave me all the serial coding data for this car, which is really cool if you have the valid subscription with this tool. I got it from eBay, and they gave me 2 years of free updates, which is really good. I can program a lot of cars like Mercedes, BMWs, pretty much all the European cars. I can be able to program it without paying to the dealership, which is really cool. And also I can do it on this on these Nissans and other more too. So the next step will be to press OK. We already have the car in parking, and yeah, the ignition is on. So we're gonna press OK, and it says completed. So it says data writing completed successfully. So we're gonna go back, and after that you can check if your codes are gone. So as you can see here, the code is gone, and well, I didn't use any power supply, but I would recommend you to do it. The battery on this car is new, that's why I didn't do it. But yeah, so this will be pretty much how you do this process. As you can see, the light it's off. There we go. Everything's off except the airbag because this car is crashed. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the information on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and also turn notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next episode. JVFix out. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting